This year, we have added a new feature, the Upload Spreadsheet option. Please note this is only for incident-level data, not for summary data. To begin, click the green Upload Spreadsheet button at the bottom of the dashboard page. You can download the spreadsheet template, then either export your data from your system or enter it manually. Once you open the template, start by reading the instructions, definitions, and glossary tabs. Next, go to the SSV Full tab to begin entering data. The spreadsheet uses color codes to guide you. Gray means no response is required. Red means a review is required or a code is invalid. Yellow means data is missing. Many cells have drop-down menus. For example, in the state field, you can choose from all valid responses and see the matching numerical codes. No need to memorize them. For markup that apply, like question 3, type multiple responses separated by commas. Drop-down menus do not work for multiple answers. The spreadsheet will show white cells where data is needed and dark gray cells where no entry is required. For example, if the incident involves one victim, only one row will be white. When that information is complete, you will see a Stop Here message. If the incident involves inmate on inmate or youth on youth sexual abuse or harassment, Section B, Inmate Youth Perpetrator in the spreadsheet will become active. If the incident involves staff on inmate or staff on youth sexual abuse or harassment, Section C, Staff Perpetrator will become active. For Sections B and C, scroll to the far right of the file to locate these sections and begin entering data. Both sections work the same way as a victim section, with rows activating based on the number of perpetrators entered. When your spreadsheet is complete, save it to your computer. Return to the spreadsheet file upload page. Browse, select your file, and click Upload File. If successful, you will see a confirmation message and the file name displayed. You may delete and re-upload files if needed. If you have any questions, please click Contact Us for assistance. This concludes the tutorial on the spreadsheet upload feature.